If you want to know how I got this lock ponytail right here, I'm going to show you. So I honestly was not supposed to do a tutorial. I actually thought I threw out the hair, but I didn't. So I'm starting with a fresh retwist. Actually, my loctician is the one that actually put all my hair up after I got a retwist, but now because it's used to being up, it is going to go up really easily. So I just put my hair up. If you have thicker locks, I suggest you, like I said, get your loctician to do like a fresh retwist for you, so that way you can put your hair up. I'm pressed that I can put my hair up already, so I'm just gonna put all my hair up first. So as you can see, it's all up. Since you guys wanted a tutorial, this is what you are subjecting me to. So I'm gonna use a band, one of these stretchy bands, to put my hair up. Yeah, you know what I'm like. If there are any hair locks hanging down, you can just like tuck him. So I usually just like tuck them up so that there's all of them are up. So you should have something that looks like this. And I'm just gonna pull just to make sure it's all okay. I'm gonna do my edges just to make sure it's nice and sleek. Okay, now with the lock part, just like any ponytail, you're gonna take a rubber band, and I'm gonna use the rubber band to make the locks kind of go down. So I'm like using the rubber band to tie all my locks together. So you should have something that looks like that, and use as many rubber bands as you want. And if your hair is thicker, then like I said, you gotta secure it. There's two methods to do this. You can either do this method, or you can actually do the method of putting the salon wraps, like those black wraps that you get at the salon. You can put the salon wraps over it and glue the track. I just did not want to mess with glue for my hair, so I preferred this method. Hair, I'm not gonna lie, I got it from the beauty supply store, and I didn't really care about the quality of the hair. I just wanted it to be body wave. That is it, to body wave, and also wanted it to match my hair perfectly. So I got this. It's literally, it was like $15 at the beauty supply store, and I was like, all right, bet. And I bought 2 of them because I didn't want it to be super full, but I wanted it to be full enough. The trick, so you take the weft and you start to put it around this part. So I have some bobby pins, and I'm just going to use this to pin and secure it like that. So I'm securing the top, right? Making sure those locks are in there. And since I've already secured the top, this is gonna be super easy. Oh, come on. Okay, so you see how I'm like wrapping. I'm not really securing as I go, but what I am doing is once I get to the top, I'm going to secure it. So you see it's already forming the ponytail. So this is only one bundle. I'm going to put the second bundle, and I'm going to show you how I get it a lot fuller. So again, wrapping, this is what it should look like. And then when I get to the end of that second bundle, I'm going to pin it again. Aha! So now we got this. Just gonna make sure it's all kind of smooth. Okay. So that's what the first bundle is looking like already. I'm gonna just start from where that ends right here. I'm gonna pin the second hair piece in there. So again, going around and wrapping. Wrap. There we go. this time we're wrapping all the way to the bottom of the hair. Like I said, you're doubling the weft. So you can tell this is what it looks like right now. It kind of looks like a bun, but don't worry, we'll fix it. So I'm just gonna keep wrapping. And then again, securing. There we go. All right, so now the most important part right now is making it all thicker at the bottom and at the top, so that the hair, first of all, it's already covered my locks, which is great. Which is why when I even wore this hair, I wore it to the side because I noticed that it looked better to the side. But you can also wear it like this. So I'm just gonna kind of zhuzh it up a little bit before I go to the second part. The next part is to complete the ponytail. I got this French curl hair from Amazon that I can link. I'll link it below. And it's just regular French curl hair they're supposed to use for braiding, but I'm gonna use it to secure the ponytail right here and just like wrap it around to make it a ponytail. Actually, wait. Before I do that, I'm gonna take my French curl hair and just to create, again, this was all just like trial and error for me. Honestly, I've never done this before, but I watched a couple of TikToks of people who did like different methods, and I wanted a little bit of it to come to my face. So I'm just gonna pin the part of the French curl braid right here, right? So that it kind of like comes down. So I have two of these. I have two of the French curl braid. So I'm also gonna pin a second one to the other side. And it has these rubber bands on it. So I just use like basically I just use the rubber band and put the pin through the rubber band and then pin it in like an extension. So now it's looking fuller already. Like even though even with putting that two French curl braids, and the French curl braids are a little longer. This is how the French curl braid comes in. The French curl hair. This is what it comes in. So I'm gonna open another pack of this. It comes in like right there, like this. I'm gonna open another pack, and it comes in a pack of two. So each one has like two of these. So I'm gonna use one to secure the ponytail to make it more like a ponytail. So like use this and like band it around like that. So like see how I'm like making it a band. It's ponytail, and you can tell it doesn't really like the height. I like the height of my hair. The way it just like gives it a vibe of like that it's cascading down. Love it. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna